One of the questions we get from time to time goes something like this. I'm named as the executor in somebody's will. They've recently passed away. Can I just start handling the estate and dividing up the assets according to the will? Well, the answer to that question surprises many people, and it may surprise you. Hi, I'm Attorney Joel Beck with Peach State Wills and Trust in Lawrenceville, Georgia, and I'll answer that question in today's short video. So our question is this: you've been named as the executor in somebody's will. That person has passed away. Can you just start dividing up property in accordance with the will? The answer is no, you can't. And that surprises some people. You see, here's the reality. Just because you've been named as the executor in a will doesn't mean you're the executor. See, the will simply nominates somebody to be the executor, to actually be the executor and be given powers to administer the estate. You have to get court approval. You have to be approved as the executor by the probate court here in Georgia. And the way that that works is the will is filed for probate along with a petition to admit the will and to appoint the executor that's nominated in the will, that is. The heirs at law, the people who would inherit if there was not a will, are entitled to receive notice of that filing and get a copy of the will. There might be some objections, there might not, but assuming that the will gets admitted to probate, it overcomes any objections that are filed, and you, as the nominated executor, agree to serve. You'll then take an oath of office with the probate court clerk, and then you'll be issued letters testamentary. Those letters testamentary is the official court order that says you're the executor, you're in charge of the estate, go get it settled in accordance with state law and the will. And the first process there is to find out what are the debts and what are the assets, and pay the decedent's bills and liabilities. And then once those are paid, then assets can be distributed to the beneficiaries in the will according to the terms of the will. So the answer to the question, somebody's passed away, you're named as the executor, can you just start acting? That's no, you can't. You've got to get approval from the probate court. You've got to be officially appointed and sworn in as the executor first. Now, if you've got any questions about probate or estate planning, wills and trust, and the like, we invite you to reach out to us. You can contact us online at peachstatewills.com. There you can download several free resources. We've got our guide to estate planning in Georgia. We've also got our guide to probate in Georgia. Just click on free info at the top of the page, choose the resource you'd like to get. Be sure to also check out our blogs there at peachstatewills.com, as well as our other videos on YouTube. And if we can be of further help, don't hesitate to give us a call at 678-344-5342. Thanks.